wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best well water test kits. Let's get started with the list. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Industrial Test Systems 481302 is primarily an elemental detection method designed to measure amounts of certain minerals, as well as acidity and alkalinity levels. It has no means of detecting the presence of any potentially hazardous bacteria though. It includes an easy-to-read chart and provides readings quickly. However, it doesn't come with many strips. At number 7, a very inexpensive option, the labtech LT5010 is only capable of measuring a relatively small number of contaminants. If you need to check hardness, chlorine, alkalinity, copper, iron or certain pesticides though, this will do the job well. It's easy to read the results and comes with 2 tests, but it doesn't measure hydrogen sulfide. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Watts Premier All-in-One provides you with 2 tests for each of 12 potential contaminants and water conditions, and 1 each for lead, pesticides and bacteria, so you should be all set once you've completed the whole routine. It gives you color-coded results and no chemistry knowledge is required. However, its lead measurement may be inaccurate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for well water test kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, though some of its results are hard to discern, the First Alert WT1 is an overall effective and inexpensive way to measure a variety of common issues. Additional directions exist online for anyone finding themselves confused with this one. It comes from a trusted brand and provides accurate bacteria measurements, but the included instructions are unclear. Off we our list at number 4. Most folks testing their H2O source are interested in bacteria and iron levels, as these are the most prevalent nuisances in any underground source. The watersafe WS425W focuses on these in particular, though it does measure a few other common contaminants as well. It features a very fast working time and a simple operation. However, it can produce occasional false positives. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The test-assured complete water analysis comes with a meter that displays total dissolved solids in parts per million, giving you a more precise sense of its purity and safety. This option performs 10 tests at once, setting a benchmark for efficiency. It includes a hold function on the meter and tests for nitrites. It's made in the USA. At number 2, if you need something to check bacteria and nitrate levels in your source, the afwfilters purtest is easy to use, accurate, and based on EPA testing methods. It comes packaged with a useful book to get you up to speed on what's safe and what isn't. It detects E. coli and coliform and includes straightforward instructions, along with 2 sets of sticks. And taking the top spot on our list, the Drinking Water Specialist's Essential Indicators leaves the majority of the difficult work to their lab technicians. This one includes a bacteria test to be conducted at the source and a container to send in a sample to be appraised for over 170 contaminants. It measures 85 volatile chemicals and comes from a lab with over 20 years experience. It takes just a week to hear back. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for well water test kits, or simply click beneath this video.